Welcome to our channel. Today we how to start discovering cultural differences with InterNations easy tutorial step by step clearly. Visit the InterNations website. Create an account if you don't already have one. Log in to your InterNations account. Navigate to the Discover section. Explore the different cultural resources available. Click on Cultural Differences to access related content. Read articles that explain key cultural concepts. Join discussions in the forums focused on cultural experiences. Engage with expats from various backgrounds. Participate in events organized by InterNations members. Attend online webinars on cultural topics. Take notes on insights that resonate with you. Follow any recommended reading materials. Consider joining local groups to connect with people in your area. Practice networking by reaching out to members with similar interests. Stay updated on cultural events and discussions in your area. Make it a habit to reflect on your observations about cultural differences. By following these steps, you will start your journey in discovering cultural differences through InterNations. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.